To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Use either a flathead or Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Pull the housing to disengage the securing tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, reinstall the screws. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.